Hello, eagers. It's Keroy here. So, I'm reading for you Coming Home from Divine Soul Whispers, and this poem was inspired by the realization that we have lived more than one life, whether it's here or somewhere else. You know that saying that goes, everlasting life, or the soul is ageless, and things of that nature, meaning there is a life after this, and after this earth experience, and we had a life before this earth experience. But in the process, depending on what happened then, some if you had a very good life before this, some aspects of you may stay there because it was too enjoyable. Or if you experience very traumatic things, there's what they call soul fragmentation, where pieces of you just shatter or remain somewhere for who knows what. And that's the feeling we get when you're having this earth experience and you're feeling incomplete, like something is missing. I've come to realize that that is usually your soul fragments hanging out somewhere else, and you're not whole. Well, but there are many things that can cause that. There's also if you're heartbroken, where you need healing and mending of your heart so that you can experience life as a whole being. I don't think we'll ever understand what it means to be whole, because even when you call back your soul fragments, I don't know how much comes in, you know, but at least you start feeling better and get feeling way wholesome than you were before. So that's how this poem came about. Come home. Calling back aspects of myself. I know you are floating around somewhere, unsettled, scattered like sand on a seashore, broken to pieces like scattered glass, left behind as a matter of survival. Now is the time to come home. It is safe to be here. Wherever you are, come. All my soul fragments, come. Come back home in me. I am grounded to this new life, enjoying the earth experience to the fullest, exploring the wondrous beauty of my experience, nature, people, and all. Come home to self. I love love. I live love. Welcome home. Welcome back to self. This is like a prayer, reminding yourself and your soul that it's safe to be here. I know if you've ever gone through a spiritual awakening, or if you're going through one, there is that moment where you feel like you realize that you're just passing through this earth experience. You're like a visitor. But in the meantime, as you visit, you can ground yourself and settle in for as long as your earth experience is here. Who knows? You may live up to 100 years old. You don't want to live ungrounded, so you ground yourself and always remember to call your aspects back to you, all your soul fragments back to you, and release other people too if you're holding on to their energy or their soul fragments. Release them so there is a freedom there. As always, this is Keroy. Hope you got something out of that. Talk to you soon. Bye.